definition of virus is a pathogenic microorganism which has a nucleic acid, RNA or DNA, and and is encapsulated in some protein. So, but the definition is a pathogenic. So, what is pathogenic is whatever creates disease, illness. Patho is illness and genic is the creator. So, what we have defined is a virus are some particles which create disease, and you get infected by different types of viruses. This is the idea. But if you see, and because it just has the DNA or RNA, so scientists are confused whether we should call them a living being or a non-living being, because other than that it has no signs of any living being, because it does not grow on its own and all those things. So, it needs a host to survive. Actually, viruses are not viruses in the sense they are understood. Viruses are actually the body part of the host, and they are always inside. And what are those? Those are in reality toxins packed in a capsule, and toxins that are generated by the body so that they can be thrown away without disturbing the entire body. So, they are packed in a capsule and they are passing through the circulation towards the drainage system of our or excretory system of our body, and the body is going to throw it away. So, whenever in any conditions when the body is impacted with any other any sort of climate or any radiations or indigestion or anything sort of disturbances, it some toxins are created due to the imbalance. So, the body has its own mechanism to detoxify. So, these how it detoxifies? So, it makes the packets of toxins, what is actually called exosome, and these exosomes are secreted or thrown away from the tissues and into the ducts or into the vessels, in the blood vessels or lymphatic system, and from there it goes to the kidney or the sweat, and or maybe from the coughing or sneezing, it is thrown away. It has nothing, it is not a living being. Like if I say whether my finger is a living being, on its own it can't live. Whether my heart is a living being, no, but without heart you are not. So, all the different body parts together combine in an organized way, and that becomes a living being. Similarly, exosomes, the viruses actually are the exosomes. These are also a body part, but they are to be thrown out because they are toxic if they remain in the body, and the body is throwing it away. But in case if there is some obstruction in your body, maybe constipation or anything, any sort of, so they get accumulated. Now, if the body doesn't have cannot throw it away due to certain obstructions and all, then the body has a different mechanism, because if the toxins remain inside, there will be a disease, and they start forming disease due to toxins. At that time, body generates or creates the T cells or the antibodies to engulf those exosomes, not the virus, the exosomes. So, and to digest the toxins. Now, what the scientists are seeing this is there is a war going inside. There are some bad boys and there are some good boys. There are some police, there are some thieves, there are some murderers and there are some saviors. This is not like that. It's plain that whatever has to be thrown has to be thrown. If it is not able to do it on its own, then a different mechanism start working. So, viruses are essentially exosomes.